Hey guys, the Gadget Man here with Nothing But Gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this Imazing IM29 Jump Starter Power Bank. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, this product was sent to me for free to do this review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you this product and test it in real world circumstances and show you how it performs. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and break this baby out of the box and see what it looks like. Alright, so it comes in this really nice little portable hard case for keeping in your car. And let's go open it up here, see what comes inside. So obviously we have our jumper cables right here, okay. We have a DC power port adapter and a USB-C charging cable, our user manual, and the jump starter itself. So let's get this thing out of here, get my finger in there, pop it out, and take a look at it. So it comes with a good hard case around it. Hefty little device here. Okay, we've got an LCD readout. Pressing the button, we'll see that it's charged to 79%. Over here we have our USB-C out port. This is for charging it, or actually it's the charging port and you can actually use it to provide power. It's an in or out port. This is our DC port right here where we plug our little adapter in case we want to power something using a DC power adapter like you would use in your car. Okay. On the front we have two USB ports, a USB 3 port and a USB 2 port, different power options there, and then this is our jumper port where this device will plug into right there. Okay. Then we also have a flashlight. So turning the flashlight on requires to press and hold this button. And there we have the flashlight right there. Pressing the button once will put it into Morse code mode. So you would be able to signal a distant person with Morse code if anybody understands Morse code anymore. Pressing it again puts it into flasher mode. That's emergency flasher mode. And then pressing it again puts it to flashlight. To turn it off, just press and hold down. Alright. It needs to be charged up before I can actually jump a car off with it. So I'm going to put it on the charger and take it out and try to start my vehicle with it. So let me get that done. Okay guys, let me show you how to use this. If your car battery is dead, you can use this to jump your car. So the first thing that we need to do is connect the jumper cables to the device using the dedicated power port here. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright. Okay, there will be a blue light. I don't know if you can see it up here, right here, that indicates that it's connected properly. Now, the second thing is connect the negative or black clamp to the negative cable, which will be indicated by a little minus symbol here, or the black wire leading to it. Okay, and so we'll connect that. And then we're going to connect the red clamp to the positive cable, which will be indicated by a little plus symbol, or in some cases there may be a red wire too, but in this case it doesn't. So it's important to understand that the battery must be connected for this device to activate. Once connected, a little green light will appear over here, but this battery is fully charged, so it wouldn't actually demonstrate anything to start it with a fully charged battery. So what I'm going to do is, after connecting it, I'm going to disconnect the positive lead so that all the power will be from this starting it. So we'll connect it. You will hear a little click right here. There's a green light that appears right here. And now I'm going to disconnect it and start the car. Always disconnect the charger within 30 seconds after starting the car and completely disengage this to reset the system. It will not immediately try to start another car. You cannot use it subsequently very quickly. You have to wait for the battery to rest, because the amount of energy that goes out of it to start a car kind of heats up the wires. So it needs about 30 seconds to a minute to rest. But that's how you use this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. I will put a link to this product in the description of the video if you're interested in it. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.